front lateral side radar sensors provide detection capability to the front left and right sides of the vehicle to help support the avoidance of crossing collisions. When the Lexus approaches an intersection at approximately 9 miles per hour or less, the front side lateral radar sensors are designed to detect crossing vehicles to the left or right, traveling between approximately 6 and 37 miles per hour. If the vehicle continues to approach, the system alerts the driver via a warning shown in the Panoramic View Monitor, if selected, and in the head-up display. If the Lexus driver moves forward even though there is a crossing vehicle ahead, the Lexus warns the driver with an audible alert and a message in the multi-information display.